This is Baganda Radio on www.ababaka.com. On the microphone is DJ Omutaka Chitaka, the guy who spins the MP3 for you. Music, speeches, poems. We also have sweepers and stingers. Check this out, and afterwards step in and support us in this effort to bring back the freedom of speech to the people where it belongs. Bless you and peace.
Owuliriza radio y'Abaganda, awangaale Ssaabasajja Magulu Nnyondo.
Hurry, get on the wagon. Reach for the side of the bed. Step on the step. Pull yourself forward and... Ow. Welcome on board. Baganda Radio. Now tune in and tune up. You snooze, you lose. I snooze, I lose. Wake up, get up, and mind your business. Listen to Baganda Internet Radio on ababaka.com.
Okoye abasaddako abaana.
Nkoye.
Okoye abanyoomola kabakawo.
Nkoye.
Okoye ekibbattaka.
Nkoye.
Okoye abokyeza abaana mu masomero.
Nkoye.
Abagwira abatalina mpisa.
Nkoye.
Okoye obutaba na ssente zisomesa baana ate nga bw'obasomesa tebafuna mirimu. Ensi ejjudde obwenzi na buli kibi. Endwadde ezitaliiko nzijanjabe zituttanga enswera.
Nkoye, 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 nkoye.
Kati nno twegatteko ng'owuliriza radio y'Abaganda ku ababaka.com awo Abaganda we batudde nga banoonya bwe banejjanjaba.
Radio y'Abaganda ku ababaka.com.
Did you know that self-determination equals democracy?
No, sir.
Did you know that federal means agreement?
No.
Are you aware that independence isn't necessarily freedom?
Well, I don't know.
Keep listening to Baganda Radio. Tune in. Tune up. Invest in yourself in the future of your children, and grandchildren.
Help me, please.
Listen to the Freedom Songs on Baganda Radio.
Think.
I'm thinking.
Good. It's the ultimate challenge. Baganda Radio on ababaka.com.
The only way you can improve the greatest rhythm is by giving it the best lyrics. Then watch it stand the test of time. Like the following hits playing here on your Baganda Radio. Love. It's spirit, energy, light, feeling, man and woman. Fulfills us during the good times, sees us through the bad times. Darling, Baganda Radio plays the choicest love songs. Enjoy. This is Baganda Radio on www.ababaka.com.